Hello guys, hope you are doing well. So in this class, this is our ninth class, and in this class we will discuss about conceptual and logical views. So first of all, I will open my notes. So you can see here is this is the level of database architecture which contains the definition of all the data to be stored in the database and also contains rules and information about data structure and types of the data. The conceptual view is the complete description of data stored in the database. It stores the complete data of the organization. Data is very data organization. That is why it is also known as the communication view of database. The conceptual view show all the entities existing in the organization, attributes of characteristics associated with those entities and their relationship which exist among the entities of the organization. So we can take the example of the customers of company. Now, conceptual schema as it describes the intention of the database. Now we will discuss lecture number 4. This is the level of the database which is responsible for the storage of data on the storage media and places the data in such a format. The difference between the internal level and the external level demarcates a boundary between these two layers. Now, what is that? Inter-schema mapping. Data independence is a major feature of the database system and one of the most important advantages of the three-level database architecture, as it has been discussed already, that the file processing system makes the application program and the data dependent on each other. If we want to make a change in the data, we will have to make or reflect the corresponding change in the associated applications also. The three-level architecture facilities us in such a way that data independence is automatically introduced to the system. In other words, we can say the data independence in major most objective of the three-level architecture. If we do not have data independence, then whenever there will be a change made to the internal or physical level or the data assessing strategy, the application running at the external level will demand to be changed because they will not be able to properly assess the change internal or physical level anymore. As a result, this application will stop working and ultimately the whole system may fail to operate.